It is important that the trainers are well-rounded and have the practical experience as well. They have seen different companies, different organizations, and also different data science teams, for example. How do other companies implement data science, and what can we learn from that? That's also something that they give back to our talents.
So what I think is an interesting point within the talent factory of Rewire is that the professors or the actually trainers, they come from different backgrounds within business and companies. So they're not teachers as such as you would have on a college or on a university, which gives them the ability to actually give practical examples, which is far more interesting than getting the theory and theoretical examples, and that's very valuable.
During the courses, they can give examples of use cases, and that's very valuable because then you can really understand what the theoretical part brings into practice. And because you hear all these use cases in real life, you can also easier implement it on your daily work.